Ji. I now request Dr. Ravinder Singhal ji to please say a few words.
Thank you so much, and good morning to everybody. It's indeed a pleasure to be here and on a critical subject which is talk of the town or of the world today, because this is one thing which is touching us all, here or there, and we must keep ourselves abreast about this, because if we lag behind in this, I think we'll be missing on so many things. Even today, till now, I think we are lagging little behind in this area. We have seen countries which are using AI-based platforms or AI in a big way, and they are moving far ahead. This is the time when we should talk about it, when we should work on this, so that we don't lag behind anybody. If you see some countries who have worked on this and have been working on this for many years, we also have been working, but there are some departments, as mentioned by Dr. Prashant Joshi, in his field, how it is being used, and it has been touching all the areas from finance to medical to crime to defense to everything. And it is touching all the areas from all the angles. That is 360 degrees it has been touching. Now from police perspective, we have been undergoing a lot of changes. We are moving from the conventional way of policing to the more advanced information-based, data-based, predictive policing, or the artificial intelligence. And here, for many years, we have been collecting a lot of data. Now, how to use that data has to be interpreted well, has to be utilized well, so that we can find the solutions which can help us as a society, help us as a police force. So this is so very important. That is why I want to congratulate the organizers of this AI-based conclave, because this is need of the day. And if we, as I mentioned, if we remain behind, then we'll remain behind. And the young brains, the youth, and the children, in fact, it should start right from the beginning. And it, I would say, should be like teaching the ethics to the children. Why I'm saying this is because if we are not able to understand the things today, probably we will be missing on so many things. Of course, the data collection, interpretation, that would be important, but from collection of the data itself, there have been studies which are going on for 50, 60, 70 years, and that result we can see. Now the same thing we can have through AI. So today, we have the spiritual guru also, and so many other people who are part of this conclave. I would request you to speak on all this. I'm sure that there would have been so much of discussion since yesterday, and I'm sure that you would be coming with some solutions. From police perspective, I would like to say that we have now started using it in a big way. Like in Nagpur only, there were certain things, the machines which were lying idle, we have started using them. And very soon it will be inaugurated also, because the data was being collected. But how to use that data and where to use that data? So that predictive policing would be one thing which we would be using it, and this is not only the crimes but the objects also. Like if somebody has committed on a particular vehicle color, then we would be able to trace those, because this city is covered with the cameras, but that cameras were only used for some limited areas only. Now we will be using this. Now we have the drones also. Now these drones, now today, as you all know, that we have intelligent drones. So drones also we have, and these drones would also be integrated with the system, and that on basis of the analytics we'll be able to find the results also. So predictive policing in future is going to play a major role, and similarly maybe in some time we will also be using the robots who would be used at a places where as a humans we would not be able to intervene as a first responder. So this is how the role change or the role reversal would be taking place. So we will have to be ready to understand all these things. If we don't, then of course, as I said earlier, that will be missing on so many things. So robots, then the drones or the human intelligence. In fact, I was amazed when I was about few days back, I was traveling in Dubai. There you don't have to now stand in the queue. The immigration is done through the smart gates automatically. So this is the level of information they have collected. This is the level of dependence which is coming on AI-based tools, and these tools are, in my opinion, would grow or become more intelligent with time, because the more information we feed, the proper kind of algorithms we teach to them or insert into the system, we will get that kind of result only. As mentioned by Dr. Joshi, that you see, they would not be. Probably many people are talking that they will be taking our jobs. In policing also, if you see, we can also say so. But I think the information which need or the critical way of thinking and working by AI-based tools would be more helpful to us, and this is how we should look up to them. I have also attended many conferences, like in Israel also I was there. We have these cyber domes also in Kerala, which I attended twice. So the idea is that we have to keep on talking, interacting, and analyzing everything so that we are able to reach at the solutions wherein we can find or empower our nation or the people who are working in this field. I'm so happy to be part of this conclave today, and it is happening in Nagpur, which I believe is going to show or would be a beacon of light to everybody, and they would be looking up to us. I would also request to the organizers that this should be an annual activity or maybe 6-monthly activity, because the more we talk about it, the more information we will generate, the more intelligent we become, and it will be more helpful to everybody. Thank you so much for calling me over here, and looking forward to interact with you. And also, if you wish to work with us, with police department, do interact with us, because we are actually working on this now, and maybe in 7-8 days, Honorable DCM or the ministers, they would be inaugurating that. We have reached to that point, and it is a beautiful system which we have devised, and it's going to be a beautiful and helpful tool to all of us. Thank you so much.